गोवा में एक इतनी खूबसूरत प्रॉपर्टी है जिसके अंदर व्यू नहीं है। मतलब नॉर्मली हमारे यहाँ प्रॉपर्टीज में बहुत व्यूज होते हैं, सी व्यू है, ये यहाँ पे कोई व्यू नहीं है, बट द प्रॉपर्टी, द वे इट इज डन, आई मीन आई एम सोल्ड ऑन completely. It's beautiful. So here I am today at Renaissance Goa. ये अभी recently खुला है, just opened in January, and I am in loss of words. I seriously don't have words to describe the beauty of this property. I am stunned, I am surprised, I am shocked, and I am loving it. So we are here at their Italian specialty restaurant called Limon, and if you just take a look around, I don't know कि इस अंधेरे में कितना वो beauty justify होगी, but this is one property that I think everyone should visit. Honestly, ये space enter करते ही ना, it doesn't feel like Goa anymore. It feels like you've stepped somewhere into the Amalfi Coast. Very Roman, very classy, but still very warm. Every corner speaks to you like literally. Every wall has something going on. There is a lot for your plate and also for your gram. एंड जो कैरेक्टर्स आपको वॉल्स पे दिखेंगे ना, डोंट इग्नोर देम, उनकी स्टोरी मेन्यू में है, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, द मेन्यू इटसेल्फ इज लाइक अ पीस ऑफ आर्ट. हमने स्टार्ट किया विद सम फ्रेश ब्रेड एंड ऑलिव ऑयल, ऑफ कोर्स. सिंपल, बट यहीं से समझ आता है दैट दे टेक देयर इटालियन फूड वेरी सीरियसली एंड द क्वालिटी इज द बेस्ट. Olive oil was clean, slightly fruity, and bread perfectly soft with a light crust. Indeed, a very good start. Drinks में मैंने लिया Soul of the Coast, while my boy settled for Great Lemon, which was a mocktail. Soul of the Coast was very easy, very breezy, slightly sweet, slightly fruity, very refreshing, proper beachside vibes in a glass. And अगर आपको clean flavors पसंद है, you will definitely enjoy this. As far as food goes, we tried the truffle bombolini, and I hope I'm saying this right. I'll leave my pronunciations because नहीं तो बहुत सारे लोग मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएंगे. मुझे आता है बोलना, but I will not say. So ये डिश प्रॉपर इंडल्जेंट है. आउटसाइड से थोड़ा क्रिस्पी, फ्लफी, इनसाइड सॉफ्ट एंड क्रीमी, एंड वो ट्रफल का अर्दी फ्लेवर विच रियली कम्स थ्रू. रिच है बट नॉट इन एन ओवरवेलमिंग वे. एक कंफर्टिंग इंडल्जेंट बाइट, एंड स्पेशली इफ यू लाइक ट्रफल, you will like this. And then साथ में I tried a beans and pasta soup which was very warm, very comforting, simple flavors, but it just works and truly represents Italy in a bowl. Main course में we again tried another pasta and chicken. Pasta was very classic, creamy, rich. I'm leaving again the pronunciations to to avoid any conflict. That cheese and pepper combination जिसे actually कहते हैं, yeah, that's how it's kind of pronounced, cacio और pepe, जो जैसे भी बोलते हैं, let it be. Very comforting, heavy नहीं लगता है but definitely satisfying था. Chicken dish was very well done again, nicely seared juicy chicken. जो sauce था slightly creamy, slightly earthy and very balanced. पिज्जा में हमने लिया द बेसिक मार्गरीटा. वी गॉट इट टॉप्ड विद सम चिकन, बट सिंपल लगता है, बट ऑनेस्टली यही टेस्ट होता है बेस्ट इटालियन जगह का. सो नथिंग फैंसी बट डन जस्ट राइट. And dessert again we settled for the classic tiramisu, and safely this was a perfect win. Coffee flavor strong but balanced, cream light, not too sweet, very smooth and very comforting. And I had a dessert drink too. This was also very different, without being creamy and heavy. It was just amazing and perfect if you like sweeter and fuller flavors. What I really like about this place is that they have put in a lot of effort. Every element and every corner that you see, they it represents their theme. It represents and shows you how design forward they are, how much of effort they have put in everything. So, done with a lot of thought. So, from the space to the menu to the storytelling, it feels like an experience and not just a meal. So, अगर आपको Italian food पसंद है या even if you're exploring something different, this is definitely worth stopping by. Don't miss it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!